Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 945 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install third-party watch faces just like this from the Garmin Connect IQ store. So if you're looking to have more customized or cool-looking watch faces with more data sets available on the watch face, this video will show you how to do that. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need is the phone that is paired to our Garmin Forerunner 945. We need to make sure we have the Garmin Connect IQ store app installed on our phone. So this will allow us to access the store and download all kinds of really cool widgets or watch faces and apps to our watch. So go ahead and get that installed, open it up, and log into your Garmin account, the same one that you use in the Garmin Connect app. Once you have the app open, there are tons of different options in here. What I recommend doing is going down the search, and then at the top, simply scroll over and select watch faces. So this will show us all the different watch faces, and it's currently sorted by popular, but you can change that to relevant, popular, recent, or rating. Now you just need to go through the different watch faces that you see. The watch face I have currently installed on my watch is the SC9. It's one of my favorite watch faces, but you can go through any of these. Once you find one that you like, I like Gearmin, open it up and then select install. Now you will get a little permission warning where you have to allow permissions. That's just because the watch face does need access to your heart rate, your barometer, your GPS location, if it's going to be displaying that data. So if you want to, go ahead and select allow, and it'll go ahead and start downloading that and installing that to your watch. While that's going, I just want to show you some stuff here. So they do have stats about the watch face. You can see how many times it's been downloaded and then the rating. If you scroll down, you can see information about it. And you can also see reviews that people have written. You can see if it's a good watch face. When you see install queued, that means that it is attempting to install it to your watch. So simply hit the back button and then go to the bottom where it says My Device, select My Device. And then you can see what's in your download queue. Once it disappears from the queue here, you'll be able to see it in My Watch Faces. It'll show up with all the different watch faces you have installed. So as you can see, it shows the Gearmin not installed. I've found that this takes several minutes, up to maybe 10, 15 minutes sometimes for it to transfer that information to the watch. It really depends on how often you sync your watch, things like that. Sometimes performing a sync on your watch will make it work. And as you can see, once it's installed, it'll give you a little congratulations screen. And when you go back to your watch face, it'll be the active watch face on your 945. So now once it's installed, what I recommend doing is going back to this Manage Device screen under My Device and selecting My Watch Faces, and then find the watch face you just installed, select it, and in here you have two options. You can either uninstall it or we can customize it further using the settings. So in here you'll have all different types of different things you can change on the watch, including what data is displayed, the colors, all kinds of stuff that I recommend going through here, playing with it. You have really tons of options. This is the competitive advantage that Garmin has over other watchmakers. Once you've finished editing this, go to the bottom, select save, and then once your watch syncs again, it'll be updated and reflected on your watch. One last thing before we end this video, if you have multiple watch faces installed on your watch, or you just want to change your watch face, to do that, all you need to do is open the menu first by holding the up button just for a second or two. Then when the menu opens, select watch face using the start or stop button. And then in here, we can scroll through the different watch faces that we have installed. And then you can also see the built-in watch faces at the top. So once you find the watch face you want to select, simply choose it using the start or stop button and then select apply. And then that will be your new watch face on your Garmin Forerunner 945. All right, so that's how you download and install custom third-party watch faces on your Garmin 945. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 945 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.